having an issue with the printer not working, you can also check this here. Pull this out. This is main control board. You notice there's a little keyway and it matches up to a slot down in there. And you can check. I've undone 2 of the screws. They go in the sides right here and here. And once you undo the screws, hold this up to look at it. And you can check all these screw terminals here. Make sure that they're in good condition. Bear with me and I'll show you one that's not inside the machine. Here you see one that's not inside the machine. You'll have wires here, 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 and all the way around it pretty much. If you look, you can actually see these terminals here. They can come out, or someone can over tighten them, small threads inside of there, and damage that little plate inside of there. So check that and see if maybe you don't have a bad connection on one of the wires coming into it. Sometimes it helps to unscrew the screw a little bit and then slide that wire in a little bit more and then tighten it back down to get a little bit better connection. And if that doesn't work, you can always try just replacing this whole assembly, just one wire for one wire. It's very simple to change out. It's just kind of, you take a photo of all the wires beforehand and then you change out, this wire onto the new one, this wire onto the new one, like that. And it makes it a whole lot simpler to do it.